Welcome with me here. I will tell you how to make a FileZilla FTP server on Xampp application on Windows. Xampp is application to create a local server consisting of the Apache HTTP server, MySQL database, and language translator written in the PHP and programming language. Operating system of Xampp is Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, just go to the tutorial. Okay, let's just go to the first step, how to make it. First, open the Xampp application on Windows. If there is no download, the link is in the description. Click Start, FileZilla on Xampp to activate the FTP server, and click Admin on Xampp to open the FileZilla application that is on Xampp. In the application, we will configure the things that are needed from the password setting to open the FTP server. And then, on the FileZilla tab, click Edit. Edit. Click the user. The configuration screen will appear for the user. On the page General, enter the name and password of the user from FTP that will be accessed. Example, kita manage saja, klik OK, and we change the password and click the page share folder on the user tab, then add folder or file that will be shared on the FTP server. Click Add and add folder or file will share, and OK. Edit setting, then configuration it. Note, max number of the user to limit many users to be connected by FTP server. We have configured the FTP server in FileZilla. Okay, and click OK. Finish. Okay, next, before we access the FTP server, we need to know the IP address of the FTP server that was created earlier by press the Start menu plus R. Start menu plus R. And type CMD. Here, CMD. And type again IP config and enter, and look, it is IP address of FTP server. Okay, then after knowing the IP of the FTP server, we can access FTP on a computer or other device with the same internet network. First, open the browser and type IP of the FTP server here. And then look here. Then we are asked to enter your username and password. And click OK. and look, then a folder or file will appear that has been shared on FTP server with FileZilla. That means the FTP server that we create is successful. Thank you. So it's like the tutorial for me how to create FTP server with Xampp application. There might be a mistake for me, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.